The new recruit learned that the mortar had a huge blast force when it misfired, so he kept stuffing several shells into the mortar. The veteran found out and immediately pushed him away. The shell exploded. However, the new recruit who caused the accident was actually promoted, because the injured veteran took responsibility for the accident. The captain noticed that the new recruit couldn't even lift the mortar. He thought there was something wrong with the new recruit's promotion, so the captain immediately went to find the commander. He held the evidence of the veteran's injury. The captain didn't believe the veteran would make such a stupid mistake, but the commander chose to cover up for the new recruit. The captain planned to report to the higher-ups. He said the captain was also responsible for the accident. The captain was very disappointed with such behavior in the military camp, so the captain submitted a retirement application. He wanted to leave this dark military camp. The general was very angry when he learned about this. He didn't want excellent soldiers to leave the military camp. The general immediately found the commander. The general said that new recruits with such poor physical fitness can enter the best camp. Is promotion in the military camp based on connections? The new recruit even let an excellent soldier get injured to obtain a military medal. The commander was too scared to speak. The general ordered the new recruit to leave the military camp immediately.